Support and resistance. This is a very important lecture, so you have listened very carefully. Support and resistance are price levels. Buyers are always present at the support price level. Each time the coin's price falls to this level, it tends to bounce back up, since there are buyers waiting here. Resistance levels can be compared to a bouncing ball. Whenever the price rises to this level, it tends to drop back down because sellers are waiting here. On which time frame do you identify these labels? 1-day and 4-day frames. Let's look at the chart. Here's the support level, here's the resistance level. How does the price behave? It behaves like this. When the price decreases, it tends to rebound. So this was the initial rebound. After that, the price increased once more, and at this point, the price tested this specific resistance level. Following this test, the price decreased again. After that, the price came again and fell below the support, and then again the price went up and tested the resistance. Then it will be identified that this is the support and this is the resistance. The way to identify support and resistance levels is to test the price at least 2 times. For example, if you tested it the first time and the second time, it would identify support. In the case of resistance, if you tested it once and then tested it again, it would identify the resistance level. Now you have a life chart of Bitcoin. Support is at 41,600 while resistance is at 43,500. BTC has encountered resistance at 43,500 multiple times, first at this point, then a second time here, and a third time over here. The levels that exist are estimated levels, okay? Check the support. Identified twice, it's clearly a level. What time frame do you want? Use both daily and forecast time frames to accurately find optimal levels. Switching between them clarifies trends and aids decision-making. These levels will act similarly for you, confirming your marked level's accuracy. Mark it daily. Check the 4-hour chart to confirm that the 43,500 level is a valid resistance. The price has been rejected here several times. Also, note the support level at 41,600, where the price has found support multiple times.